Did you know in 1932, the Australian army lost a war against a group of birds? Did you know that? Well, I know you don't. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Hey guys, my name is Big Nas. I'm a content creator, storyteller, also an upcoming artist. If this is your first time seeing my video, kindly follow, like, comment, and share so that others can see. Let's go into the story. In 1932, farmers in Western Australia had a big problem after World War One. Many soldiers had become farmers, but their crops were being destroyed by a massive invasion of emus. Well, I think emus, there are some kind of birds. Don't worry, this is their picture. The farmers begged the government for help, so the military actually sent soldiers armed with machine guns to fight the bird. What? That's crazy, man. Soldiers to fight birds. Well, let's continue and see what will happen. But the emus were faster than anyone expected. Whenever the soldiers tried to trap them, the emus would scatter in small groups, making them hard to shoot. Even with thousands of bullets fired, only a small number of birds were killed. At one point, the soldiers said emus were moving in military formation, also like they were trained. Our soldiers don't see shege with that too. Mind you, Australian soldiers, no be Nigerian soldier. Nigerian army, I trust them, guy. The war, is, the war lasted 4 weeks. The government finally gave up, admitted defeat. The Emus had officially outsmarted the Australian army. Can you imagine? Birds outsmarted the government. But Shada was in 1932. But if to say now, they will kill them all. Well, so what do you think about this story? If you think the story is nice, let me know in the comments. Here are some picture of the war and the bird. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.